Welcome to the Grandstream Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to import bulk inbound routes. To begin, click on the Extension/Trunk tab, then click on Inbound Routes. In our previous video, we created one inbound route. We'll use this route to create multiple inbound routes. Under this route's options, click on the Export icon. Click on the Save File radio button, then click on OK. Open your file's application and click on Downloads. This is where the downloaded CSV file is located by default. Once you open the CSV file, you can see that the columns are already populated with the required inbound route fields. Another thing to note is that you want to type in No in the A, D, E, and I columns for each additional route you add. In the B column, type in an underscore character, followed by the 10-digit phone number. In the J column, type in the default destination. The example we're using is extension. In the K column, type in the destination. This is where you'll type in the exact destination. Once you're done, make sure to save the changes to the CSV file. Confirm that you want it in the text CSV format. Navigate back to the inbound routes in the Grandstream PBX. Click on Import, then click on Choose File to upload. Select and open your CSV file. Review your import, then click on Apply Changes to finish your configuration. Congratulations! You've successfully configured and imported bulk inbound routes in the Grandstream PBX. Check back for more videos on Grandstream as well as other helpful guides.